Hey, what is up YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page like this for free that you can use to help build up your email marketing list. The key is to provide a free service like an ebook that you can then send through email. In order for your client to get this free service, they'll have to input their email address into your form. The free product will then be emailed to them, and you will have one more email address added to your marketing list. Win-win. To get started with this, use the link in my description and navigate to system.io. Click Create My Free Account. Enter your email address and click Get My Free Account. If you just want the free account, head over to your email and locate the confirmation link that was just sent to you. If you want the paid version, then scroll down and enter your payment information and follow the steps to take advantage of the paid offer. You'll eventually be prompted to create a password for yourself. Once you've done that, you'll land in the System.io dashboard. Start off by clicking the Funnel tab at the top. Then click Create. Give the funnel a name. Click Build an Audience. Select the appropriate currency, then hit Save. Now, click the name that you just gave to your new funnel. Ensure that Squeeze Page is selected on the left. On the right-hand side, scroll down and select the template that works best for you. The simpler the template, the better for your landing page. Name the squeeze page. Then click Edit Page. From here, you can delete all unnecessary portions of the page to make it as simple as possible. You can then modify and reword the header and also the body text to be more suitable for you. You can also substitute the image for something more geared to whatever niche you're in by simply clicking on the image, clicking the upload icon beside the image file field, locate your picture, and drag it over. You can preview your landing page by clicking the preview icon at the top right. If you're happy with how it looks, go back to the editor and click the exit icon. Now, click the Thank You tab on the left. Find a good template and click Select. Then, click Edit Page. Modify the text the way you want it. Then, get rid of any unnecessary graphics or buttons. When you're happy with the result, click the exit icon. Now, click the Email tab at the top and click Campaign. Click Create. Name the campaign. Click the campaign name, then click Create again. From here, you can customize the subject, sender, name, and sender email address for the email your clients will be receiving. It's best to select Classic Editor because the visual editor usually gets picked up by spam. Hit Save and you'll be able to further customize your email. Type up the email that you wish for your client to receive after opting in for your ebook. We'll be adding a link to the ebook within the email. To do that, highlight a portion of text within your email that you wish to turn into a link. Then, go to your Google Drive and ensure your ebook is uploaded there. Click the three dots beside your PDF file. Then select Share. Click Share again and ensure anyone with a link is selected. Then click Copy Link. Now, go back into your email campaign and paste the link in the link URL field and click the check mark. Once complete, click Save and Publish. Click the Days drop-down menu and select Minutes. And input the amount of minutes you'd like to have passed before the ebook email is sent over to the user. Then click Activate. Now, click Exit. Go back into Funnels. Then go back into the funnel you created earlier. Click Automation Rules, Add Rules, Funnel Step for Subscribed. Click the three dots on the right side and click the Edit Automation rule. Click Add Action. Subscribe to Campaign. Click the Choose Campaign dropdown and select the email campaign you just created. Then click Save Rule. Now, let's test this out. Click View Funnel. Type in an address and click the button below. Wait about a minute or so, or whatever you set your delay time to, and check your inbox. You should see an email that looks like this, and if you click the text link, it'll take you directly to the ebook. If you go back over to System.io, click the Email tab, and click Statistics, it gives you the ability to see who opted in to get your free product. It also tells you if they've opened the email and if they've clicked on the link or not. There you have it. You now know how to create a landing page and build an email marketing list. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.